Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can add emojis to your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly without using any external sites on Google Chrome or any other web browser. So let us get started. Now, did you know that Google Sheets has a library of nice and expressive emojis to add to your documents? Yes, you heard right. So let's say, for instance, I would like to add an emoji to that cell here. So simply click on the cell and after that click on insert here at the top and move your mouse or hover your mouse over emoji here and select the emoji from that drop down menu. Here you see various categories like smileys and emoticons, people, animals and nature, and so on and so forth. So let me go for simple happy smiley like that. So simply left click on it and as you can see, the emoji has been added to your cell. Now you may, for instance, add some spaces here to your cell just like that, or copy the given emoji and paste it here into the cell below. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.